Hi, Doc Revis here. In this video, we're going to show you how to account for significant figures when carrying out mathematical manipulations in science. Specifically in this video, we're going to talk about multiplication and division. And this really comes down to two simple rules. Number one, write down the full calculator answer. Number two, round to the least significant figures. And there you have it. If you're unfamiliar with how to count significant figures, then see my other videos on this subject. So let's show you how this works with multiplication. Consider these problems shown here. First rule is to write down the calculator answer. If we punch this through in our calculator, we'll see the following answers. Next, simply round off based upon the rules of significant figures. Notice here on the left side, I've shown the number of significant figures in each of the digits we use to do the multiplication. And the answer must conform to the one that has the least number of significant figures. And therefore, we use the rules of round off, and there we have these answers. And just to clean it up, this is how it will look in your final report. Next, let's consider the rules of division. They're exactly identical to the rules of multiplication. Write down the full calculator answer. Round to the least sig figs. We show you these particular problems that we punched through in the calculator, and then we counted our sig figs according to the rules of counting sig figs, and we have the following. We have 3 in the first digit for the first problem and 1 significant figure in the second. Therefore, our answer should form the 1, and likewise for the other problems shown here. Notice in problem number 3, our calculator only gave us 0.067. By the rules of sig figs, we should have 3 significant figures in our final answer because 15.0 has 3 significant figures. Therefore, we add a 0 to our final answer to conform to the rules of significant figures. And this is what it looks like for the final reported answer. There you have it, the rules of significant figures when doing scientific math or scientific manipulations and scientific operations of multiplication and division. And there are only 2 rules. Write down the full calculator answer and round to the least sig figs.